Surface roughness measuring. Surface roughness is very important part in metrology. Before we move to the practical, I will give you a brief introduction about surface roughness and why it is very important in metrology. If we consider about the topology of a surface, you will find irregularities on each surfaces. We can categorize them mainly as waviness and roughness. In this figure, you can see what is the difference between waviness and roughness. These irregularities arise mainly due to machine parameters and tool parameters such as feed marks of cutting tool, vibration, misalignment, and there are many. Surface roughness is a component of surface texture. It is quantified by deviations from the ideal surface. If these deviations are large, the surface is rough, and if they are small, the surface is smooth. There are many parameters to measure the surface roughness. RA value is the main quantitative measure of the surface roughness. In this figure, you can see an enlarged view of a surface. Entire length that we are measuring is called sampling length. RA value can be calculated by dividing the summation of the deviation area from the sampling length as shown in the equation. There are mainly two types of surface roughness measuring systems. They are contact type and non-contact type. In this practical, we are going to use contact type surface roughness measuring system. It consists mainly two parts: data processing unit and main unit. Data processing unit is consist of printer, key panel, touch panel and joystick. Main unit is consist of a detector unit, connector unit, x-axis fine adjustment knob and y-axis fine adjustment knob. Edge of the detector unit, you can see a small pin shaped object which is called stylus. When measurements are taken, stylus move along the surface and tracks the surface peaks and valleys, and its vertical motion is converted to a time varying electrical signal that represent surface profile. This is the surface roughness measuring system in metrology lab. As I explained earlier, this consists mainly two parts: main unit and data processing unit. We can see all the outputs in data processing unit. In the main unit, this part is called as connector. In the edge of the connector, you can see a small part which is called as stylus, and this is the most sensitive part in this machine. When we take in measurements, stylus will move on the surface that we are going to measure. In this main unit, there are two knobs. Using this vertical feed dial, we can move the detector unit with stylus vertically, and using this x-axis manual knob, we can move stylus along the x-axis. When we are going to take a measurement, first we need to touch this stylus on the surface that we are going to measure. For example, if we are going to measure this surface, I need to move the stylus downward until we touch the surface. Now I am going to move it. You can see here there is a range minus 400 to plus 400. That's from micrometer level. That means that stylus has a range of 800 micrometers. When I am moving the stylus downward, you can see this red color will turn into green color. That is the indicator whether the stylus is touching or not. Now you can see that green color one is moving. When we are taking measurements, we need to keep it in the middle. Then stylus will have same range upward and downward. When you are taking measurements, we need to think about these main things: standard, profile, filter, and n value, lambda s, lambda c. These are the settings. We can change these settings. Here you can see there are many profiles. Among them, I have selected R profile, and there are many standards. Based on your requirement, you need to select standard, profile, filter, lambda s and lambda c values. Now I am going to take a measurement. First, as I explained earlier, I kept it in the middle level and I press the start button. Now you can see with the time, machine is drawing the profile of the surface that we are measuring. When it is measuring, you can see that stylus is moving along the surface while it is touching. Now it is calculating the roughness values, and you can see there are three output readings machine has given: R A value 1.36 micrometer, R Q value 1.60 micrometer, and R P is the 2.31 micrometer. Among those output values, we can use R A value to compare two surfaces.